This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, myself Abhilash. I'm presently working in Akamahadevi Women's University as an assistant professor, the Department of Commerce. So in today onwards, we are to going conducted for an online Tally ERP courses. So in this class, I'm going to introduce the few about Tally. So Tally begin first theory in North Ogada, and after that theory, we go for the practicals. Okay, let's start the one by one. So before I'm starting the Tally courses, I requesting to all. So those who are available in a laptop or desktops, ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ laptop ಅಥವಾ desktops available ಇದೆಯೋ, so and after my completion of my class, so ನನ್ನ class ನ complete ಆದ next ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, I send the software link. So please download the software link and use try to practice. So ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯೋ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. On that time you can easy to understand the Tally software. Okay, so
Okay,
let's
sir.
start. Okay, first one in this course. So in this course, what are the portions we have covered? So see here, the objective of this course, the introduction of an accounting. The first of all, Tally is an accounting software. So Tally is an accounting software, and that's why we have to understand for the basically for accounts. So you have to knowledge, thorough knowledge about for your accounts. So accounts ಬಗ್ಗೆ basic knowledge ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ can for solve these problems. So otherwise you cannot be solve these problems. So that's why I'm requesting to all. So please try to understand. So what is accounting? Okay, and the next most important objective in this course, the history of Tally. So we are using of this Tally software to try to understand the origin of a Tally software. So Tally software ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತರೋ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟು ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ತರೋ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. So requested to follow all, so to try to practices for the theory of a Tally. Okay, Tally theory ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು practice ಮಾಡೋದ, and various versions of a Tally. You can see here the what are the versions are the Tally software is there, and as well as general features of a Tally. And so last important things is in start with a Tally ERP. So okay, let's start with a Tally ERP. This is the most important in this topic. We have to cover in 5 chapters. Okay, see what are the 5 chapters we have to cover under a Tally ERP 9. So Tally ERP 9 we have to cover under a, these are the following 5 chapters. Okay, first lesson is a basic of accounting. So every persons, there is no knowledge about for accounting. Suppose in this group the few people are commerce background, the few people are not a commerce background. So it is in Tally is in business software. So Tally ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು business software ಆಗಿದೆ. In this business software you can using as well as a commerce and non-commerce related people. So commerce and non-commerce people, how to use this software, and based on that we have to try to understand for the first chapter. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವರು ಏನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ ಕೆಲವರು ನಾನ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತರೋ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸೊ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ accounting basis of accounting, basic of accounting. And the second lesson, the fundamentals of Tally ERP 9. So what are the accounting softwares, what are the accounting natures as there, ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಲೆಸನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. And next important thing is the lesson number 3, the creating in accounting masters in Tally ERP 9. So Tally ERP 9 it is covering in accounting masters. So accounting masters is very important. So what do you mean by accounting masters, and to discuss in the next classes. ನಾವು accounting classes ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದ, ಬಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Tally ERP is the one of the most widely useful financial software. Tally ERP reports can help for a business owner makes a information discussion in increase the effectiveness, reduce the cost and organization business reports. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ we have to try to understand for a tally. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ creating an accounting masters, and as well as lesson number 4 covering under a so creating inventory masters. Inventory masters means it's a stock. So stocks ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದ. And last one is the lesson number 5, it's covered in a voucher entry. Voucher entry means it's a use in your classrooms journal entries ಗಳು ಏನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಅದ್ರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆದಂತ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Let's start one by one. Okay, first one is introduction. So you are already known how to maintain accounts manually. Okay, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ how to maintain accounts in manually. So those who are commerce background students, they are thorough knowledge about for a accounts maintaining in manually. So accounts ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ manual ಆಗಿ maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ thorough knowledge ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. And so they are using foreign tally software. Okay, you see here tally is an accounting package which is used for maintaining your accounts electronically. Tally is an accounting package which is used for maintaining your accounts electronically. So whether you have to practice it in the classroom test, so classroom ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೀವು tally practical ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಏನು ನೀವು accounts ನ prepare ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರೋ, on that accounts has to be using of this software. So tally software ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, you can electronically maintain your accounts. Okay, next continue the brief history of in tally software. You can see here the history of a Tally Solution Private Limited. So Tally Solution Private Limited, you can see here the Tally Solution Private Limited, formerly called as Patronix Private Limited, based in Bangalore, was started as a simple reason and software developed organization as absenteeism of readily for available accounting package made the company create for whether the own business requirement. Thus commenced the development of a work on accounting package in basic in the year 1986. This package was then accounts. So today the company providing involving the easy to use the business solutions to more than 20 lakhs business around 94 countries. That means you see, just try to understand, it's very simple. Tally software, the Tally software formerly we called as a Patronix software, Patronix Private Limited. ನಾವೇನೀಗ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಹೆಸರು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಕಂಪನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರೀಸನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರೀಸನ್? You can see the one person is here is a Bharat Goenka. So Bharat Goenka is a founder of a Tally software. Okay, so Bharat Goenka father is an SS Goenka. So SS Goenka is running a textile industry in Maharashtra. So your father, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, it started as a simple reason. What is the simple reason? I tell you. What is the simple reason? So the Tally software, it's initially we called as a Patronix Limited. The Patronix Limited na ನಾವ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, their SS Goenka as a businessman, for textiles businessman, ಅವರ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರೈಸ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ನಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ their son, and that means is a Bharat Goenka was designed this software only for their own purpose. Own purpose means it is a their industrial purpose, not for commercial purpose. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದಲ್ಲ. It is only for their own purpose. You can see here in the 1986. So after 1986, so it is a to 1980 onwards. So 1919 onwards, its software is called as an Tally Solution Private Limited. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, after the few days ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, it is converted into commercialized software. After the few days it is converted into commercialized software ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿಂದ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So on that time it is available for the throughout the global. Okay, you see here this package has been accounting. So 1986 onward this package was then called as accounts. Today the company providing innovative and easy to business solutions to more than 20 lakhs business, okay, across the countries. Okay, 94 countries. So totally 94 countries ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, the Tally software they have to be using more than 20 lakhs businessmen they are using for a Tally software. Why they are using for a Tally software? It is very easy to handle the accounts. It is very easy to handle the accounts. how it is very easy to handle under accounts. So in the classroom we have discussed the classroom nalli exercise ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ. So what are the exercises are doing? So whether it is we have to creation for a ledger entry, day book, and purchase entry, sales entry, and like balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance. These are prepared your manually. So ಎಷ್ಟು process ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, it is your duty. So you are using a Tally software. So your duty is only for one thing is one is ledger creation after you passing the journal entries. So one thing is a ledger creation, another one is a passing the journal entries. After passing the journal entries, the Tally software automatically prepare the balance sheet and P&L account and as well as ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಟಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್, ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ವೋಚರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ಸೊ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ERP 9. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ERP 9. ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ 4.5. This Tally 4.5 it is a MS-DOS support accounting system. So MS-DOS means Microsoft. So hello, I requesting to Chandan, please mute your mic. Okay, so Tally 4.5, this is the first version of a Tally. In this version of Tally, it is supported for a MS-DOS supported financial accounting system. MS-DOS means is a Microsoft DOS. That means you can see the now it is in Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 in operating systems ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ MS-DOS ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪರೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. and that operating system can using for the Tally 4.5 ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ವೋಚರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. Okay, ledger classification and voucher entry, the simple financial reports and bill-wise analysis, debtors and creditors in the business. Okay, these are the features are available in the 4.5 Tally software. It takes care of accounting activities only such as ledger classification and as well as voucher entry. ಒಂದು ನೀವು ledger ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ in your classroom, ledger creation and as well as voucher means it is a journal entries. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೋ ಆ ಎರಡು ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ you can see the info Tally 4.5. Okay, next version Tally 5.0. in this Tally 5.0, it is an upgrade version of Tally 4.5 and it works in Windows operating system. The inventory model is introduced in this version, which involves the details of inventory structure, invoicing and integrating the accounting and inventory records. What is this? So you see here, it is a Tally 5.0. it is an upgrade version of a Tally 4.5. So Tally 4.5 ನ ಏನ್ upgraded loopholes ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು upgrade version you can see is a Tally 5.0. it is worked in a Windows operating system. Windows operating system ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ at present system. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರೋ Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 10 and Windows 7, XP, Vista, these are the operating system. These are operating supported for a Tally 5.0. So Tally 5.0 software so present model ಗೆ support ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. and as well as most important is this inventory models is introduced. The most important Tally 4.5 is only for an accounting system. Here accounting and as well as inventory models are including in a Tally 5.0. Tally 5.0 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, you can using of a additional upgrade of an version. Okay, this involves the details of inventory, the structure of invoicing and integrated accounting and inventory records. And it is related for a stock activities. Stock ಏನಿದೆ, so ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು Tally 5.0. Okay, next one Tally 5.4. What is the Tally 4.5? It is an upgrade version of a 5. where it is capable for converting the earlier data formats into the current data format. That is possible through import of a data facility. That means suppose you are to doing the work, so ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅನದರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Data can be exchanged. So suppose you have to compute it for one financial year to another financial year, it will be helpful. Okay, and see next one. Next version, Tally 6.3. This is the upgrade version. What is the additional features here? So ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾ, it's an extended enterprises system whereby the integrated for the other systems through operating database connectivity on connectivity you and email uploaded your the financial reports tally ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Tally 6.3, it is an upgrade version. What is the upgrade version? It including the Windows and as well as accounting and inventory, and it is providing for a mail system. Mail means it is a what you have to prepare in your system. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ you send for the another system. That means so the company has to be in the wilder area. So wilder area ಅದು expand ಆಗಿದೆ. Suppose your company is located in Bangalore. It is a Bangalore is an head office, and Bangalore is an head office. Divisional office is Mysore and as well as Mangalore. So what are the process are going on there? So ಏನೇನು activities ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You have to send the mail. So that means what is the today transaction? So all the today transaction you have to send to the mail for the your main computer. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮೇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಅನದರ್ ಒಬ್ಬ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅನದರ್ ಒನ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ Tally 6.3 ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ Tally 7.2. ಸೊ Tally 7.2 it's a more advantages and more flexibility. So in earlier accounting system, earlier Tally, they are only for the two things is there. One is accounting, another one is inventory. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Tally 7.2 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಮೋರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ವೈಲ್ಡರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. We treated as a Tally is an accounting package, not only accounting package, it is also for a taxation system also included in a Tally software. Tally 7.2 ಏನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, Tally 7.2 onwards the Tally software ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, it is included for the tax. Okay, you can see here what are the taxes is included. It's an integrated enterprise system. VAT, TDS, TCS and service tax models is introduced in this version. ನೋಡಿ Tally software Tally 7.2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು VAT, TDS, TCS and service tax ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Okay, next continue. Tally 8.1. So here the Tally 8.1 it is an more advantageous. Why it is more advantageous? Because of the few people don't understand the English on other languages, regional languages. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you see, so ನಿಮ್ಮ financial statement, your financial statement, so each and every person cannot be try to understand. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So it is a very good example in the cooperative sector, cooperative banks. You see cooperative banks financial statement is like a Kannada format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, whether it is a Tamil Nadu ಆಗಿರೋ Tamil format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, Telugu format, it is like that. So it is a more advantageous. Why it is more advantageous? The each and every person the understand the financial position of a company. A company financial position ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the Tally 8.1 it is a multi-language supported software. It is supported for 10 languages including is introducing in this version. ಈ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಸೊ 10 ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ, ಈಗ more than 21 languages ಇದೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದ Tally 8.1 ನ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Tally 8.1 it is including 10 additional languages, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದೇ ತರ ರೀಜನಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ Tally 9.0. So Tally 9.0, it is an improved model over the version 8.1. It is supported for 13 languages. Okay, it is a 13 languages. 13 languages ಗಳಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. It is including foreign languages also. So the Tally software is not selling only for India. It is also selling their software abroad also. Foreign ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the people are using for foreign languages also. So one more important thing is in payroll system. So what is the payroll system? So payroll is the most important. So payroll ಬಗ್ಗೆ the complete knowledge you have to understand for a HR. Those who are working in an HR department, so ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು HR department ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಥರೋ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, you have to thorough knowledge about for a payroll. So I will give you just a simple example. So are you entering to the employee of an organization? You employee organization entry ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the company take your the datas. ನಿಮ್ಮ complete data ಗಳನ್ನ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. Whether it is your name, gender, blood group, address, and ESI, PF, salary, HR, HRA. These are the informations are added. So these are the informations you can added. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಪೇರೋಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಸ್ POS ಮಾಡಲ್. ಸೊ POS ಮಾಡಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ Tally ERP 9. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಾವೀಗ ನೋಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ as ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Tally ERP 9. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್. ಸೊ what do you mean by Tally ERP? ERP means Enterprises Resource Plan. So Enterprises Resource Plan and Tally ERP. So supported the business is simultaneously combined with their activities of for accounting, inventory, compliance, payroll, finance. More business owners can manage multiple functions with multiple user logins. They can assign the different access rights of their employees based on the data that used to run the business. That means, so see here, the Tally ERP 9 is more flexible. How it is more flexible? In the earlier version, they are adopting only for an accounting and inventory system and payroll. But it is a Tally ERP 9, accounting, inventory, and payroll, and as well as other related business activities, like it is a taxation system and GST and multiple logins. So multiple logins ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, they're using as a one office. The head office is there and head office operating the branch office. ಅಂದ್ರೆ it's a very good example. One office is there in Bangalore. ನಿಮ್ಮದೊಂದು head office Bangalore ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ business transactions ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. What are the business transactions are doing in Mysore? You can see here then the Bangalore head office. So Bangalore head office ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಏನೇನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ you can see there. So this is the more advantages. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮದು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್, ದ ಮೇನ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇನ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿದಾರೋ ಆ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ದೇರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಆಲ್ ದ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಎ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೆನು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹಲೋ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
Okay, ನೋಡಿ, you see here, this is the previous version, the Patronics Private Limited is the initial days. So initial days ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, Tally is a Patronics Limited. So Patronic Limited ಅನ್ನೋ ಏನೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿ ಇದೆ, ಆ ಕಂಪನಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ Tally ಅನ್ನೋ ಕಂಪನಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. This is the DOS. You can see here DOS. It is a DOS related accounting software. It is a Tally. So the version is 4.5. See here, this is the 4.5. The company info, the creation of a company, display, alter, backup, restore. This is the Tally first one. So first version ಏನಿದೆ, you see here, and one more. So next version. So next version is a 5. Okay, you see here, this is the next version. You can see here, this is the date also here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 1988 to 1996. This is the next version of Tally. You see here, this is the version 5.0. See here, this is the 5.0. This is the menu. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ 5 ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. And the next one, Tally 7.2. This is the next version. So before 7.2, see here, Tally 6.3. This is the Tally 6.3 menu. So Tally 6.3 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ you see here. And next one, Tally 7.2. This is the Tally 7.2 menu. You see here, Tally 7.2. Okay. What is the next one? This is the Tally 7.2 again, and this is the inventory system. This is the 8.1 inventory system, how it is operated. So the 8.1 menu agide. And next one is Tally 9. This is the Tally 9. Okay, this is the Tally 9. And next one, Tally 9. So next we have to start with Tally ERP 9. So Tally ERP 9 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು Tally ERP 9 ನ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳೇನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾ. Okay, next one, general features of Tally. So before started with Tally, so you thorough knowledge about for a Tally. So Tally software na advantages ಏನು, ಅದರ features ಏನು, ಅದರ characters ಏನು ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾ. Let's start. Features of Tally. What are the features of Tally? Tally ERP 9, they involving the lot of features. What are the features? You can see here one by one. It maintains all the primary books of accounts like cash book and bank book. Okay. So primary books of accounts, whether it is comes under a PUC students, they have to thorough knowledge about for a cash book and bank book. So ಅವರಿಗೆ cash book ಮತ್ತೆ bank book ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, Tally maintains all registered likes purchase register, sales register, journals registers. Means it is including in a transactions like purchase entry, sales entry, and journals. So e features ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. And as well as next one is Tally maintains all statements of accounts like balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance, cash flow, and stock items. This is the most important, whether you have to pass these two items. So first two features ನೀವು entry pass ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you get the this is the information, it is already prepared. So ನೀವು ಈ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ Tally ERP 9 to provide the balance sheet and profit and loss account, it is automatically generated. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, all Tally, a Tally can maintain outstanding reports. So Tally maintain outstanding reports. What is the outstanding reports? So all the transaction reports we called as an outstanding reports. So like here, outstanding report means Tally ERP is a very flexible, the human through the process, which means that Tally ERP 9 can adapting itself for business needs. The Tally ERP 9 used to not only for the business, it is running adapting for them several of packages. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ several packages ಇದೆ, and as well as it's providing a outstanding report. Outstanding report means it is a the Tally ERP 9 provides auditing and compliance capability for chartered accountant. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಚಾರ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಕೌಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಡಿಟರ್ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, on that duty is comes under a Tally ERP 9. ಅದೊಂದು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ Tally ERP 9 ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. It mainly provides completed bills wise information for information of amounts receivable as well as payable either party wise or group wise. That means, so you are trading of a business like whether it is a provision store or medical store. So ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ. How to enter the purchase and sales, it is comes under a Tally software. You have to give the thorough knowledge. So ನಿಮ್ಮ Tally software ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. And next one, it can provide reports for a particular date or reports for an range of dates. That means you can provide the reports for a particular date. Andre, so for example, 1 month business ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ. So this is a 1 month. This is the August month. 1 month business will be over. Then we go for a September. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು company owners or particular brand owners, so they're asking the previous month report ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. On that time, the using of a Tally software, you have to get the proper results. So whether it is taken as a MTR food products, so what is the sale of last month? So MTR food product last month ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Next one, comprehensive list of accounting features. So you see here, this is the more wilder area of a Tally ERP. So see here, completed bookkeeping and budget controls. Okay, complete bookkeeping is comes under a financial activities, budget and control is comes under a stocks and as well as tax. Okay, see here one by one, receivable and payables outstanding managements. Receivable and payable for outstanding management means, so you are purchasing of a raw materials and as well as payments. So whether it is a raw material purchaser ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು or trading business ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು raw material ನ purchase ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. Create management, credit management. Next one is credit management system. Credit management systems ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, you taken as a loan or you have to providing for the credit system of a products. So ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ thorough knowledge ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. Cash flow and fund flow statements, ratio analysis and financial statement, interest calculation, senior management's cost profit centers, multiple currency accounting, budget control comes under. What are the budget? Post-dated vouchers, consideration of companies, order invoice, voucher, check printing, sales, tax invoice, excise invoice, item wise and invoice wise, profitability, yes, POS invoicing, register, purchase invoicing, additional cost of purchases. Okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you can see the Tally software, it is automatically generated. So ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When it will be automatically generated, you are thorough knowledge about for a inventory system and as well as accounting system. Accounting system and inventory system ಗೆ thorough knowledge ಇದೆ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ you have to get the proper result of this software. So you get the proper result of this software. Okay, next you can see here, you need full ecosystem. You see here, so Tally software, it is a more wilder advantages and more availability and more flexibility. So ನೋಡಿ, you see this one, so over 9,000 sales partners ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so 9,000 sales software ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಕಂತ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅವೈಲಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And as well as 500 plus service partners. That means if you need any kind of technical issues, so on that time you have to give the proper answers. And as well as 20 plus growing and business integrator means, and the software designers, 20 plus people are working under a software design of a Tally. And 1,000 educational partners. 1,000 plus educational partners means it's a computer education institutions are taken the partnership between the Tally company. So Tally company in the partnership na tagondu, they have to run in the business. At present, more than 1,000 educational partners are given to the training under a Tally. So Tally ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. 14 plus regional offices. That means it is a Tally is across in the India. They have to be 14 plus regional offices ಇದೆ. 100 plus supporting desk in Tally. 100 plus supporting plus Tally means it is a call. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, if you need any doubts or any pass of entries, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ if you need any sum of doubts, so ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. On that time you can using of the Tally software, you can call for a customer care and they give the proper informations related ಆದ proper information and proper guidelines ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And last one, and 540 people's backing from the Tally software. Andre now 450 people of employees, they're working under a Tally company. Tally company number of employees normally ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ. These are the ecosystem support. Andre when you are purchasing of a Tally software, so you are an entrepreneur, you are using of a Tally software, on that time they have given the help. So ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ Tally software ನ ಬೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆ Tally software ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ Tally. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಎ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಈಗ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋದಾ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ದಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಿಂಕ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸೊ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಇದನ್ನ ವರ್ಕ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಪಾಸ್ ದ 1 by 1 entry. So see here, this is the Tally software. So this is the Tally software when you are using for a trial version. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಮೋಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಮೋಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಮೋಡ್ ನ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಮೋಡ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಮೆನು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್. This menu we called as a gateway of Tally. This menu we called as gateway of Tally. ಈ ಮೆನು ನಾವು gateway of Tally ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. This is the toolbar. Okay, the toolbar. So I will explain one by one. This is the P. P means print. So whether you are using of a Alt P, so it is a shortcut key. So P underline line ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ shortcut key Alt P. Whether using of an Alt P, ಸೊ ನೀವು Alt P ನ ಕೀ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಟು another system, and as well as email facilities also there, and uploading and downloading facilities. Suppose you have to receive from the another system, so that is that time you are using for a uploading and downloading facility. And Tally shop, so Tally shop is directly go for a Tally company. So Tally website ಏನಿದೆ ಆ Tally website ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮೆನು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. You can see here Tally, you see here the search for. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಡ್ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ಸ್, the price of the softwares. So the complete information you can see here. And using of an escape key. So see here, this is the language. I already told you this, the different languages are available in a Tally software, but it is a trial version. There only for one language is there. So in legal version, other more languages provide ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this is the trial version. You can see it is only for the one language. Okay, escape. And this is the K. This means keyboard. The keyboard is like a which language. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ language keyboard ಬೇಕು, you can set here. This is the option is there. Bengali, English, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu. These are the keyboard supported ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and as well as foreign languages also. And next one is control center. So what is the control center? Using of this key, your Tally net ID. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you are using this a legal software. So using of legal software, at that time it will be helpful you. Okay, next one is support. So see here support. What is the support? So it is a technical issue. ನಾನು ಆಗಲೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, suppose you need some corrections, some doubts about Tally. So on that time, the using of this key, you get the customer care support. So customer care support ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. Okay, using of escape key. See here the product. So this is the product name, Tally, the power of simplicity, the Tally ERP9 tagline, power of simplicity. This is the product. You see here version and updates. This is the present version, serial number and other complete information in there. And this one is a license and service. This is the educational mode Tally. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, they mention is a educational mode. And as well as configuration. So configuration means it's a ಯಾವ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಡೇಟಾ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, database management system. So database management system, it will be helpful for you. And last one, most important, is a calculation. This is the calculator. So when you are using foreign accounts, at that time it is a calculator is most important. Alva? So now when I'm using for a addition and subtraction and multiplication, using of this key, you put the values. So the values na entry ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ using of an automatically get the results. This is the more advantages of Tally software. Calculator also available in a Tally menu. Okay, next one, escape. You see here, select a company and short company, date, periods, company info, contact, disconnect. So these are available. Okay, first of all, what is this F1? Using of F1, that means functional keys. So F1, F2, F3 ಅಂತ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ you can see the menu. ಈ ಮೆನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಮೆನು ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ F1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ using of an F1 key. On that time it is a select a company. So this menu will be automatically appeared. These are the companies. I'm already prepared the so many companies. These are the companies. Okay, this is the selection of a company. And short a company. Short a company means it's a shut down a company. Andre wind up company na close ಮಾಡುವಂತ option. So company wind up ಮಾಡುವಂತ option ಇದೆ. And as well as more important, next one is, so now I'm using of a working educational mode. So see here, date. So this is the date. Suppose you have to go transaction using up this option. You transactions ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ current date na you can using here. Okay, using of an escape key, period. Okay, this is the financial year. Accounting year ಏನಿದೆ in the financial year na you write here. It is already made. Company info. So see here, the select a company, connect a company, short a company, create company. Okay, these are the features are there. Okay, next start one by one. The first step of a Tally software, Tally ERP, create a company. Tally practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ first step ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, so creation of a company. So where to create a company? See here, F3. You can see here the one more important thing is there. Tally is no into mark. That means it's in there is no close. ಇದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಮಗೆ Tally ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So Tally ನ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you go back. That means you have to exit ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ using of an escape key. When you are using of an escape key, on that time it will be helpful. So ನಿಮಗೆ exit ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ into ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೋ close ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಾರ್ ಅದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Minimize, maximize there only for use, not for close. So if you need to close, so using of an escape key, yes ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಕರ್ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ be exit. Okay, so now I'm using of an escape. This is the menu. In this menu, a company info. Using of this one, using of your cursor. So see here the company info. In the gateway of Tally ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, company info. See here. So how to operate this software? You see here, Tally means gateway of Tally under company info. Okay, so here practice ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you are try to understand. Okay, first one, create a company. You see here, create a company option is there. So I'm using for a create a company. This is the beginning stage. So in this creation of a company, you mention the company name. So ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಫರ್ಮ್ ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಆ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಫರ್ಮ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, you mention here. So mention the company name. Okay, now mention the company name. So see here, directory. Directory means this all the data are saved under a C drive. That is called say C. Okay, user public tally ERP9 data na ಒಂದು folder na ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the complete information will be saved. Name means is a company name. What is your company? You write your company name here, and mailing address automatically ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿ ನೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲಿಂಗ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, and as well as company address. That means firm address and company. So where to locate this company? It is in India or foreign. So company, whether it is in India, which state. So right here, and as well as pin code, your pin code. And next important thing is a contact details, phone number, mobile number, fax number, email, website. This is called contact details. And next step is books and financial year. The books and financial year, it is already made or prepared in a Tally software 1/4/2020. Book beginning year and financial year both are same. And security control. So this is only for applicable whether it is using a legal version software. So legal version software ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಫೀಚರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the advantages of this feature? So suppose you are surrendering the data. So suppose any corrections or you're losing your laptop or desktop hard disk ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, save in server. On that time you have to get the backups. It is an advantages. Okay, and you see here base currency information. In the last menu, base currency information, base currency symbol. Your country is in India, your currency symbol is rupee. Okay, this is already prepared. Formal name, it is an Indian rupee. Indian currency, you mention is a INR, it is an Indian rupee. Next one, symbol of amount. No, so there is no additional symbols ಏನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ Indian currency ಗೆ. And space between the amount and symbol. Amount and symbol ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು space ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Yes. You see the bills. So bills ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ rupees or rupee symbol and space amount. Yes, it is an yes ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So suppose you need a no. So no ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ no ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Show amount in millions. Millions ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ using of an yes. And number of decimal place. Number of decimal place means 10 rupee 50 paise. 10 point after the point. Andre 0.50. That 0.50 we called as a decimal numbers. Sometimes 0.5465 like that. So on that time they are using for only for the two decimals. So decimal ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. The words are representing for the amount of after decimal. It is a paise. 10 rupee 50 paise we called as a 0.50 is a paise. So it is represented as a paise. Number of decimal place as amount in the words. So the one word ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. It is a two words are there. Okay, this is the company creation. Let's start the company. So now create a company. So see here, it is most important. ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So write the company name. Nidhi Sales Private Limited. This is the company, one company name. So when you have to write the company name, automatically mailing address also same. So automatic ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And next step is an address. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ address. Okay, right here number 234, third cross enter. When you have to put into the enter, so now you enter provide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ next line ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So write the address RR Nagar, RR Nagar, next enter. Then using of an enter, next you mention the city name, Bangalore, next enter. So again enter, entry provide ಮಾಡಿ. So country name ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You can see here the list of the companies. So your company is located in which place? So ಯಾವ place ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆ places ನೀವು select ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So now it is in India, and next one is India. You can see here the list of states. You see here the ಎಲ್ಲಾ states ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ include ಆಗಿದೆ. You see here Andaman Nicobar, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal, Assam, Bihar. It is in alphabetic wise. You see here. So all the states are here. So it is in Karnataka. Now I am selecting Karnataka. So next one is pin code number 560019. This is the pin code. And if you want any telephone number, in my company any telephone number idre write here telephone number 687. This is your telephone number, and as well as mobile number. So mobile number, if you need fax either fax ಕೂಡ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, and as well as mail. So like www.nidhi@gmail.com and website. So ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ using of website also www.sales.com. This is your website, and as well as book beginning year. So financial year and book beginning year both are same. Just you have to enter, and already I told you security control now using of only for the legal. So legal software buy ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So escape ಅದನ್ನ enter press ಮಾಡಿ enter. And next one is basic currency information. So see here the basic currency information. This is the basic currency Indian rupee ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. Formal name is called as INR. So enter. Finally accept ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೆನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Using of your keyboard is Y or cursor yes. On that time your company will be created. You see here the list of company. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ the list of company ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ in the bold Nidhi Sales Private Limited is a company selected. So ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Suppose this is the one step. Suppose if you need any corrections, so ನಾನು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ರಾಂಗ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. On that time the using of alter. So now I am selecting a company. So this is some any corrections. So ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ changing of this option. So using of this creation, so alter ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ again. So see here so this is the wrong, I think. So ನಾನು ಏನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ I will erase it. So ನಾನು ಏನು ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So finally enter company, save, accept. Okay, this is and escaping key, using of escape key. So using of escape key, you see the gateway of tally menu, and again I am using of an escape key. You go for the gateway of tally main menu. So once again I will repeat you company info. Using of this company info, so you create a company. So ನೋಡಿ, so ನೀವು F3 ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೀವು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. F3 ನಲ್ಲಿ create a company. See here, this is the create a company. It is a first time create a company. Suppose you first time you have to create a company using of this option. So ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, save ಮಾಡಿ, then after using of escape key and see here if you need any corrections, ಏನಾದ್ರೂ corrections ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ using of alter. Using of alter, you select the company. This is the company. So in which place you have made a mistake, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, you will change the values and after it will be enter finally save. Okay, so ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, again you are using an escape key. So Tally is doing only most important for in keyboard, they're using for their two keys, one is escape and one is enter. So Tally ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೀ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದೇ ತರ ನೀವು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೀನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, escape key. So finally you can see the gateway of Tally. This is the company creation. Okay, so any doubt?